Today we took my dog out to the park and we just found out that he liked to go on the slides, and anyways, we knew that maybe he would like slides or maybe he wouldn't. So we tried it out, and then so my mom pushed him down the slide and he started to love it. And then I started running with him and we went down the slide. Of course I had to hold his leash when we went down the slide or else he would run, and then I didn't have to hold him when I had to go up the stairs because he runs when other people are running. So then I tried it with him 100 times. I had so much fun. He was getting tired and I was getting tired. So even though we started getting tired, we had so much fun. That's it today for you guys. Bye.